repair under warranty, so there is no need to pay. As a result, Apple gave me a new Apple Watch. Now after replacing the whole machine, everything is new. EC card strap for Apple Watch. Looks very nice. Now, Christmas is about to give this thing to my mother. Put it on. That way you can open the door very well. We come to the Apple 13 today. My Apple Watch is finally fixed. I can boot first. Wait for the first confirmation to boot. Okay, that's it. Then, it'll be fine if you pair again. Just pair it, but because it is a repair within the warranty, so there is no need to pay. Okay, good. Yes, then sign your name. Yes. This is my Apple Watch S6, purchased at the end of 2020. At that time, there was this Apple Watch. To do Apple Care warranty. How about battery life after 2 years? Less than 80%. Just take it out of warranty. As a result, Apple gave me a new Apple Watch. Yay! Then let's unbox it. Open. Brand new. Our Apple Watch, because of 2 years of use, it may have some scuffs on the glass. There will be some scratches on the aluminum alloy. Now after replacing the whole machine, everything is new.
Hello.
Apple Watch S6. Its red is a bit orange. It would have looked brighter back then. And the red of the new S8 is corrected red. Electroplating and baking paints become better. But in the year S6, this red, really very nice. I still have some charging cables in here. Then we'll open it up. Take out the charging cable. Wow. I used to use a braided strap, but the braided strap got loose after using it for a long time. Today, we mainly look at the inside of this box. Here, before it would have such a paper attached. So our S6 out of the box was, take it out like this directly from the red here. The first thing to take is this. I haven't taken this charging cable before. Open it first. This line is a normal glue line, because we are the general version of aluminum alloy. So here is the plastic case. The charging cable is on the back of the S7 and S8. It has both launched, fast charging line, but I think it's fine for everyday use. The head is still Type A. Usually when we are charging, we only need, so you can charge. I also recently bought a red Apple Watch. The strap is support. If you have a leisure card, come with this red Apple Watch. Let's open it up now. Wow, it also sent a rubber case here to protect us. Don't hit this case. For now, I don't think it's useful. This easy card is just to scrape it off from the side. Okay, let's look at the strap. Here's our new watch strap out of the box. Thud thud. Here, it is tied to it with simple spring cord. Then press. Let's put it on now. It may be more difficult to get out here. Come out. Hey, the skin looks pretty. Let's smell it. Not smelly. The sensing chip should it just sew it in here. So we just like this. Just beep here. Okay, let's pair this red leather with the Apple Watch. Pack it up. A bit too straight. Let's change this way. It's changed this way. Put it on. Wow, very nice looking, totally a new Apple Watch. So I think the warranty of Apple Care is very good. After 2 years, it's still out of warranty for you, because your battery is down like this. Then our Apple Watch is completely. Glass is new. The case is also new this time. Plus the EC card strap of my Apple Watch. Looks very nice. Now, Christmas is about to give this thing to my mother. Hello. We're going to put our Apple Watch, the strap of the EC card, and our student ID card, and Yale's Access card, iCash membership card, and our Easy Travel co-branded card. Take it all as our Yale's Access card for smart door lock. So let's set it up now. Setting up this smart door lock is actually quite simple. We just press this button here, then put the card beep on it. Then we start now. Then we click here first. Then do it all over again. Let's click OK. Then we give my key card. This is the first. This is the second iCash. No iCash seems to work. No, iCash. Then we have a co-branded card. Our credit card doesn't work either. No, this and this leisure card are not acceptable. Yes, our small Apple Watch strap can. First let's use the Yushin Bank's Easy Travel co-branded card first. First set up to use the Easy Travel co-branded card. No way. The first one and the second one are right. iCash does not work. Then our Apple Watch strap. Okay, then my student ID. Okay, so let's just do it with these for cards for now. And we click here again to complete the setting. Okay, these for cards are all set up. So we can see here, it means right. Then ask for the card to represent the correct. This is also correct. Finally, we come to the most critical. We look at the Apple Watch strap. Hey, this way the door can be opened. Let's have a demo later. Let me show you how to open the door. Let's lock the door first. Then it's locked like this. Then our EC card strap. Put it on. That way you can open the door. Very well. It is good. Next, let's look at the easy card of our student ID card. We just want this. So you can go in. Then it's a simple share. Hope you enjoy. Bye.